Hi, I wanted to just do a quick video. I know most of you have seen everything through social media and know a little bit about this, but I just want to go through it a little bit, almost face to face. So we are looking for more associates, as you will have gathered by this page. We are currently a team of 4. We are building that hugely. So capacity with one of the associates has changed, and on top of that, with all of the inquiries, it is intense. And I just want to grow. I want to be able to bring people up, build their own businesses while building my own. So it's really important that this is a community, a team, a collaboration, not competition at all. That would be like my worst nightmare. So what we're looking for is associates with a range of different skills. What we're really missing in Thompson Services is SEO, Google, Facebook ads, virtual assistants. It's a huge inquiry for virtual assistants. It's constant. We are looking to also open up maybe podcast management, more social media management, more social media support, tech bits and bobs, like the love for CRMs, different workflow management tools, all of that. We would love to have a few associates on board so that we can offer the huge well-rounded approach. And I suppose from the working point of view, how we're going to run this is work comes into Thompson Services. I will then create a job spec. I will pop it into the group where all of the associates are, and then I will be requesting proposals from anyone that's interested in the job. I will need to know their capacity, their timelines, when they can start the job, how much they want to charge for it, and things like that in general, like how they would normally propose. But we'll just create a form, so you don't have to make anything pretty or anything that you would make in your own business, but it's just to complete the form. And then I will meet the client with all of the proposals in mind, discuss them with the client, discuss the associates with the client, because I want everything to be completely upfront and honest, and that's how I will make it. And then there'll obviously be a successful associate. Once the job is in place, contracts are signed with the client, we will get going. So you will have a Thompson Admin Services email, and Nicole and myself will manage the admin aspect. So the back and forths, it completely depends on the project. So a VA will probably have to be hands-on, a social media manager or support less so, website design less so, because it'll be following our processes. So we will go on the back and forth with the client, pop it to you, and you will only have to build and follow that instruction. The responsibility of following up on stuff will not be yours. So I suppose it's the administration side of it, of those project-based clients and social media-based clients and all of that sort of thing, will be following our processes, and Nicole will manage that on your behalf. So there will be other clients that you'll have direct access, but at all times myself and Nicole are to be CC'd. Just so that we know what's going on. And it's really important to me that it's done through the Thompson Admin Services email, so that if anything happens, if there's annual leave, sickness, you can't step in at a certain time, that myself and Nicole have access to it and can jump in. So the support is there all of the time. And then I guess from the point of view of shouting out your business, this is really important to me. I don't want it to just be you doing the Thompson Services work and not getting credit for it within your own business. So how I like to manage that is, if you are offering services within Thompson Salmon Services, but you also have other services that you want to offer within your own business, I can shout that out. Or if it comes here, I can say X is really good at this within her own business. When I'm sharing on my social media, I will have posts to do with you, your business, everything, links, all the rest. So it's about, I suppose, building your business while building mine, giving me the flexibility and the ability to offer everything that's coming at us here. And yeah, I suppose in the virtual assistant world, OBM world, it can be really lonely as well. And I think we can all help each other. We can all bounce queries, bounce thoughts, bounce the dramas of the world off each other. And that's what I want to be in it all as well. I want to be a part of your businesses just as much as you're a part of mine. If there's something that I can help with, I obviously will. And I think that's the whole joy behind it all. So yeah, I hope this makes sense and the ramblings. Obviously anyone that gets through to the next stage after the forms are completed, we'll hop on a call. Just 15-20 minutes just to make sure that we get on and bounce off each other and have a chat through your form, and you can ask me absolutely anything. I am an open book and I will talk about anything. And we can go from there. Then there is an associate contract which you can obviously read through and make sure you're happy with it, and then work can proceed after that. Once you'll be added into the group then once that is signed. So yeah, hopefully that makes sense, and hopefully it sounds straightforward and appealing to you. If there is any questions, honestly, bang anything through to me. And I appreciate them, because I suppose when building like this, I obviously have a team, but now with Nicole's help, I'm able to like invest more time into this, and I really want to build everyone up in it, and something really cool to come of it. So yeah, thanks a million for showing your interest, like blown away. And if you message me privately, there is a discount half price into the accountability program as well, because that's whether you become a team member or not. That's just a thank you for showing up here. I really, really appreciate it, and I would love to help you too. So thank you.